starting off with a fresh wash and go. I'm going to be parting my hair down the middle. I'm not really using a comb because I'm very tender headed, but you can use a comb to part your hair. I just choose not to. So I'm going to be taking a hair tie and I'm just going to be putting it in a loose bun. You can make this bun really tight if you want to, but I don't like my hair in tight styles. I like to keep my edges, so I'm just going to be looping it one time. And as you can see, I'm securing it by just not pulling it all the way through, and then I'm just going to fluff the bun out as you see me doing here, and then I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb and stretch my hair as I showed in my how I stretch my wash and go video. So I'm doing that same method for my hair to get a little bit bigger, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll just link that above. And now I'm just using my edgy brush and I'm just going to lay my edges down a little bit, nothing too crazy. Now I'm taking a hair jewel that I got from the local beauty supply store, and I'm just gonna put those on my hair. And you can do a twist or a braid if you want to, but I find that this gives kind of an illusion that you already have a twist there, but it's up to you. I just find this way a lot quicker and more convenient, so that's pretty much what I do. And that pretty much wraps up this whole hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And by the way, I am using a new microphone. Let me know if you guys like the audio a lot better, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.